Hey friends, if you wish to fix HWiNFO64 SYS driver not working after Windows update on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first and most obvious solution is an SFC scan, which will recover missing and corrupt files. So, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command SFC space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Now, this needs a lot of time. You can simply minimize it and continue with your work. It may need 2 to 3 hours. But if it doesn't work even after that, then try a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Click on next. Choose a good restore point. Click on next. Click on finish and finally click on yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.